Once you have decided on the size of ring and the length of wire you need, use a ring sizer or marker or tool of the same size and wrap half of the number of loops you intend with one end of the wire and leave about 1.5 inches of excess. Then you hold down the stone over the ring sizer and with the other side of the wire, wrap the rest of the loops that you intend, and using the short wire, wrap around all of the ring bases, the loops there, like this, and tuck in, make sure it's tight. Then, using the long wire and the other, wrap around the ring base on the other side and pull it tightly. Then, wrap the rest of the wire around underneath the stone, and with the excess wire, trim and tuck it in like this. There you have it.